just past the Kaiser's backside, where you get the aluminum from the side, from the soil. And over there, you know, the ship. Yeah, there's a big harbor over there. That's the process. Ship takes the soil, take it to some, maybe a plant, and you get the aluminum out of it. Kaiser's backside in Discovery Bay. So now we are in Runaway Bay. As you can see, big hotels. Bar Principal, that's how you pronounce that? Resort. This is Bar Principal Resort. Runaway. Driving through Ocho Rios, and I think I want to just drive over to Duns River just to look at it from the outside. It's in the afternoon now. When you come into these places, man, you have to like, it's better if you have somebody who's driving.
Yeah, who know?
You know the place.
Yeah,
because now you trying to look to see this and people blowing you to get out the way.
Them blowing no bother me. Tell you the God truth. But it's nice to have somebody that move.
Yes,
you
guys. Get somebody. Just get on the tour. So you can enjoy the view and all that. Wait, I think probably those who are coming up close by, you know. Like this? You sure say like this? Say that. It look like it's the bobsled thing there. Bobsled. I don't, you wouldn't say Duns River, it's a bobsled. It's a bobsled. Where's the Duns River entrance? Here? Further down? What is this? No, I'm asking you, what place is this? Oh.
What is it?
She said. Too fast. Let me separate this. Bobsleigh.
can't come out, don't carry your stop and you come out. Don't carry them,
We
carry
have
them
somebody.
up.
Sir! Hello? Where Duns River entrance there? The Duns River entrance, where is it? Right here? You can drive over there? Okay.
Alright.
So guys, this is the Duns River entrance. We're gonna just make a quick drive over. So here you are guys. If you're planning on coming to Duns River Fall, this is the entrance. And we're just gonna drive over to see what it's like over there. We're not really going inside today. We're just scoping out all the places. And we'll go over another day. So guys, look at it. Palm trees. And we are just driving up the hill now to the attraction, Duns River Fall in St. Anne's, Ocho Rios. So this is what it looks like, guys. Straight out the hill. Oh God! Just let them pass. Let them pass. These people are so impatient. Jesus. So as you can see guys, lots of tour buses over here. As you can see, that's the parking lot over there. Lots. This is the entrance to the falls. Crazy. I don't think there's a line. You can come out that line.
Huh?
Where you go?
Right.
It's that line.
Number you know,
I think it's the exit.
yes,
That's
that's
right.
right.
Let's give you a car park. That's all. Crazy. They park every day, so no, you have to pay. We say we don't know if you can park there, so. Yeah. So guys, we came in the wrong way. We made an error up there, so now we have to exit and come on back up so we can get to the parking lot to park the car. Because people are so impatient, they keep on blowing you. You can't even stop to look for a sec. You just telling you. Up here. Before you get out of here, you have to actually go back over there. Tricky situation here somehow. So bad about it too, down here. So you just gotta have to know really what to do. It's a car center. Outside. What? Why?
Yes,
Go.
do it.
Go.
No, look behind you, up by the hill. So I just want to do it.
Okay. Alright, you got it. Alright, so
So you
this
know
is
what's really come behind me, what's the problem? You can count it just in front of you.
guys, we gotta get back to the grassroots. Calculate. Go on the man, Alright. Alright, back to the drawing board. So we're going up the hill again and hope to make the right turn this time. gotta go into the, you gotta park the car in the parking lot and just walk around. Nice place, lots of palm trees. Alright, so I think it's turn here. Buses and car turn here. Yes, the buses and so upon entering, you have to look for the parking lot. Otherwise, you're gonna just be blowing you to get out the way. Nobody trying to wait on you.
Alright, brother. We have to park here. We have to pay to park.
So guys, you don't have to pay for parking. So just try to make the right exit upon entering the gate. Keep right to get to the parking lot.
Read.
And you park your car and just go on about your business, whether you want to climb the fall or you just want to walk around. That's the way to go about it.
God bless you, man.
Because nobody trying to wait on you if you make an error. They're blowing you to get out of the way. They're telling you, oh, you don't know what you're doing and all these things. So, but anyway, it's a nice place. Get that. That's not out right now. I think the last time we came here, we parked somewhere up here.
Parking at this some wait. I don't know somebody going about small down there now.
You can't get, you know, so you can't, there's a gate down there.
No,
you can't cross over there unless you pay.
I was crossing over the gate.
Well, after you walk down there, you cannot go beyond the, there's a pay station down there. In order to go down to the fall, you gotta pay. So, yeah, that's how it's set up over there. Yeah, an ideal parking spot right under these trees. Those are all your craft shops. If you want to buy your souvenirs and stuff, that's where you would go. I'm looking at a lot of cobwebs over there. Wow, nice mountain, fresh breeze. Wow, and there's a little food area over there where you can sit down and eat, and people are just coming out from the falls. Now I catch up people in this my thing, I tell this guy park. So over there guys, see, there's a little cook area. You can sit down and eat your food. So like I said, we are not inside really, we are just at the entrance here. This is just a little tour for today. So tomorrow I try to get in the falls and all of that. Nice and quiet today. And this is what your surrounding look like. In case you want to come over to this place, just keep it simple. Just wear your casual clothes, guys, because that's the type of settings. Don't need to be dressing up in heels and all of those things. Just throw on your little slippers. And as you can see, guys, people are here selling their merchandise. If you want to get your t-shirt, your bag, and all of that. So there you go, guys. T-shirt, bags, carving, and all those things. And I think this is the toilet if you want to use the bathroom and all that. It's right up front here. See, bathroom, male and female. And this is what here you see Duns River Falls and Park No re-entry. Huh?
Right, you can't go down.
You gotta pay.
You
You know that. You can?
Yeah, it's the it's only.
Oh.
Only, my dear. Where we go down this place? Right here. We can walk, come back up to.
Where's the pay station? You gotta pay to go. Right out there, sir. Okay. Alright. So guys, we're heading down as far as we can go. Because beyond that point over there you gotta pay to go any further into the falls area. So as you can see, this is a part of it. Front area. Duns River Fall, St. Anne's. Security guard is here. Man, I can hear the falls. Right? Can hear the fall if you your little hand sanitizer station right here. Sanitize yourself. Thanks for washing your hands. So guys, this is the pay area down here. You gotta pay. Yep. No free issue over here. And is that a restaurant over there? Security guard entrance is right there. And that's where you pay over there. Let's see how much to go inside there. So guys, this is your rate. Adult 25 US, child 17 US dollars, residents rates, that's the Jamaicans, 1,000 for adult and 500 for kids. So 1,000 to go inside there if you're a resident of Jamaica, and for adult, yeah, and for kids 500. But if you are coming from the US or wherever, $25 adult, 17 kids. Yep. Huh? So you
once you buy your ticket, scan the button here so you just make a straight
can
forward,
video
right?
over there.
See me?
You can video over there.
Like with your
Uh-huh.
yeah. The only thing that you know them big old tripod there or something they're not allowed.
So Bridget, explain to people them now. Tell them the price and something, man.
Alright, so to enter it's 25 US or 3,575. It's a general park fee.
Yeah.
For locals though, Jamaicans, if you have your Jamaican ID, your passport, voter's ID, driver's license, it's $1,000.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Alright, and that would include, if you're gonna climb the falls, you can get a guide. There's a beach down below. There's a garden, you can relax, have a picnic or so. You have a food court area, and you have the, as I said, the beach down below. It's
Okay.
basically it.
Alright, thanks. So you hear it, guys. You heard it. So that's the information if you are planning to come to Duns River Fall.
You can bring your own food. You can bring your own food, your liquor, all of that. We don't have a limit on what you want for your comfort.
Yeah.
The only thing they don't allow is flotation devices for like the kids, like football,
Okay.
the floaters and put on the arm or so, and the round one. They don't allow those because persons will,
Yeah.
leave their children unattended and
There you
they
go,
want
there
their
you
seat
go.
taken.
So you can bring a little umbrella and thing.
You can bring your umbrella. If you have the
chair.
four chair, you can bring. If you have your igloo,
Yes.
if you decide
Wow.
to cook and one carry your pot
Down
and
there.
all that,
Really?
you can.
I
Yeah.
know you could do all that.
Come here on a Sunday.
Eh.
You see pot like fire. You see crate. You
Ah.
see igloo. Yeah, man. Bring anything, bring your food. The only thing like this area is a no smoking.
Okay.
So the most like if you probably go down to the beach and right, allow you there, but
Yeah.
the general park where there's persons there, they don't allow the
When
smoking.
you open, what time it open, what time it close?
Alright, so it open at 8:30 in the mornings. And we close. The gate up here closes at 4, so they stop selling tickets here at 4. but you have until 5 o'clock on the inside.
Oh.
Alright. Good to know, because I came here a long time ago once. I thought it was just a fall. I didn't know you could do all that.
Yeah, man. I'm
Beach,
here
all of that. Even the Tranquility Gardens that we have over there, if it's a case where like you want to have a wedding or a party or so, you can always contact the company and they can arrange a nice package for you guys to pay and you have your event over here. Persons do that.
Good to know. Alright, man, thanks for the info.
No problem.
So we in town, we just a scope out because we could as well come back here tomorrow.
I will be here.
Alright, what's your name?
Trey.
Trey. So guys, this is Trey. Just give me the full lowdown. Alright?
Yeah.
Thanks, Trey.
Alright,
Alright. So guys, this is your full view of downtown Ocho Rios. Everything is this little here. So busy, congested. Guys, if you're ever in Ocho Rios, this is your full view of the town here. Very busy, all the business spaces are here. I just finished eating at this restaurant here called Hong Kong restaurant. It's right there. Food is not bad. You can get your fried rice and all those things. River Park over there. School kids going through. Chinese rice.
I don't only want today. You can't.
There's a KFC over there. Driving through the town, guys. Ocho Rios. And we are looking for a place to eat. JN Bank over there. Pizza Hut is there. KFC is right there. Tutti Frutti. Remember Tutti Frutti?
Long time. Very nice, you know.
I know something I like you again. You!